All right, ladies and gentlemen, today's going to be a quick video. It's a quick unboxing of some stuff I just received from eBay and Amazon today. Let's get into the shoe. All right, so this first package is obviously from Amazon. I want to try to make this as quick as I possibly can for you kids. You don't have to suffer through the unboxing process. Alright, so this is a box of Kswiss 11.5 SI-18 International Heritage. Ooh, check these out. Oh, wow. So this was released in 1989. It was the 1993 Shoe of the Year, okay? And it was re-released, available right now. And they're doing something different for 2019. That's why I wanted to get these 2018 versions. They're changing the eyelet colors and a couple other things. They're adding some yellow to it. Not necessarily my favorite choice, so I want to grab a pair of these right away. I picked these up on Amazon. So here's the bottom of the soles. Pretty simple setup. Big K-Swiss across the bottom. These couple of blue stripes down here in the blue toe. You'll also see these two little cinchings here. So what this is actually the laces from the shoe that come across and cinch over the side edge. And the idea was when K-Swiss first started off, this was a patented thing, and the idea of being able to cinch up your shoe really, really tight, because in tennis you're stopping and going back and you're doing a lot of side-to-side movement. So this is really important to be able to cinch your shoe up really nice and tight. Great invention back when this started a long, long time ago, 1966, I think. So anyways, this is the SI-18. I'll be doing a full video on this, but I just want to do a quick unboxing of the SI-18. And let's get on to the next shoe. All right, here's an eBay. So usually when I get something on eBay, it's because I'm getting it used. And used can be used because it was actually worn, or sometimes someone bought them as a present for someone, they didn't wear them. I'm assuming these are going to be a worn pair. I have a couple things coming, so I don't know exactly which one this one is. Let's tear into this bad boy. By the way, there's nothing wrong with reusing an eBay box. You can tell this one's had a few lives on it. Here's my information, and here is the K-Swiss piece inside. Pull this apart. Get rid of this thing. All right, let's see what this is. This is the Classic VN Men's Low Navy Gum. Ooh. So this is the Classic. So this is a used shoe. This has been worn before, but this is the standard Classic, and this is in a navy blue with a white on the outside edge and a gum sole. Pretty unique, not seen quite a bit. Right now there's a couple of kind of phased out models of this in different colors that are coming out. I really liked the navy blue because I wanted to wear this with a pair of jeans. Just a real simple, cool look. Awesome to work with. I'm going to scrub these things out, clean them up really good, and put them in my arsenal. Really good trick if you want to find a good pair of inexpensive, almost unused shoes. Pick them up on eBay. There's also, Poshmark is a great place. Mercari is another place to pick up used shoes. You can pick up a pair of shoes like these, brand new. These are 65 bucks. Sometimes up to $95 depending on what's going on online. I've never seen them below about $45, but you can pick up a shoe like this for $25 plus shipping is like $6 or $7. So you're looking at 32 bucks instead of 55 or 65. And what I do is I'll pull the insoles out of them, I'll do a complete disinfecting of the inside of them, clean them up real good, and then stick them into my arsenal of shoes. And these are going to get a lot of use, I'll tell you that much. Hey, thanks for spending some time with me with my unboxing for today. I got a bunch of other stuff on the way. Some new stuff coming from K-Swiss should be here any day right now. They just did a drop of the Chinese New Year. I picked up both pairs for you guys so you can see them both. Do a huge unboxing of those two. And what else? Oh, the SI-18s, and I have the carrots coming too, the SI-18 carrots. So anyways, talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching the shoes.